In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Wix. A favicon is that small icon you see on your browser tab next to your site's title. It's a tiny detail, but it makes your website look much more professional and helps visitors recognize your brand quickly when they have multiple tabs open. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to find the favicon settings in your Wix dashboard and what you need to have in place before you can upload one. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you've opened the dashboard for the specific website you want to edit. From your site's dashboard, look for the main menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps most of the important configuration options for your site, including general details, domain settings, and of course, the favicon. Once you're inside the settings area, you'll see several sections and categories. What you want to find is Website Settings. Click on Website Settings to open the panel with more detailed options for how your site appears and behaves. Inside your website settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Favicon. This is the area dedicated to that little browser tab icon. Click on Your Favicon to open the favicon settings. Here is where you would normally upload your image file. A favicon is usually a simple square image, often your logo or a symbol that represents your brand. For best results, prepare a clear high contrast image before you start this process. A size of 32 by 32 pixels or 64 by 64 pixels in PNG format is a common and safe choice. However, before you can actually upload and use a custom favicon on Wix, there's an important requirement. Your site needs to be on a premium plan. If you're currently on the free plan, Wix will not let you apply your own favicon. Instead, you'll see an option or a note telling you to upgrade to a premium plan first. So at this point, if you haven't upgraded yet, you'll need to choose a premium plan that suits your needs, complete the upgrade process, and then come back to the same settings, website settings, and your favicon section. Once your premium plan is active, you'll be able to upload your favicon image, save your changes, and then publish your site so the new icon appears in browser tabs for your visitors.